Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the water pump on an Audi A4. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth repair. We'll cover everything from preparing your workspace and draining the coolant, to removing the old pump, installing the new one, and finally, refilling and bleeding the system. Following these instructions carefully will help you complete the job successfully. Before you begin, make sure your Audi A4's engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom, or prepare to disconnect a lower radiator hose. Position a large, clean drain pan underneath to catch all the old coolant. Removing the coolant reservoir cap will help the system drain more efficiently. Now, you'll need to gain access to the water pump. This typically involves removing the serpentine belt and any hoses or components that obstruct your view or access. Once clear, carefully unbolt the old water pump from its housing. Be sure to thoroughly clean the mounting surface to ensure a proper seal for the new gasket. With the mounting surface clean, install your new water pump, ensuring the new gasket is correctly seated. Reconnect all hoses and reattach the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly tensioned. Finally, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-specified coolant. It's crucial to bleed any air from the system to prevent overheating and ensure efficient cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.